Hey guys, today I'm doing a $400 bikini try-on haul from Aerie. I got 7 bikini pieces, a one piece, running shorts, and a tennis skirt from their spring collection. I tried their leggings and stuff in the past and I really liked them, but I've never tried their bikini or swimwear, so I'm super excited. I'm going to be doing a try-on haul review and talking about the fit and everything. I'll have all of the products linked in the description down below. I know they are having a sale right now, so if you want to go check that out, you'll get it a lot cheaper than I did. I'm going to be posting a lot more of these type of videos. Don't forget to subscribe and go follow my Instagram. And if you guys comment a strawberry emoji on any of my photos, I'll know you came from my YouTube, so I'll spam and follow you back so we can be friends. And anyways, let's just get right into the video. The first piece I picked out is an asymmetrical one piece. It just has that little side cutout. I've seen this all over Pinterest. The cutout on the side is just so cute. You could almost wear it as an outfit before you go out, and then if you end up going swimming, it would work really well. Yeah, like this with a pair of jean shorts, I feel like would be so cute. It looks really comfortable. There is some padding in the cups here. It also comes with these hanger strings, which I'm probably gonna end up cutting off. Well, this almost feels like a top. Like, it doesn't feel like swimwear at all, but it has this little design here. A lot of their swimwear has that kind of style, and it was $59.95 US. It is definitely on the pricier side, and it does feel like a good quality. It has elastics all up here, so it's stretchy. Okay, so the material up close is like a little ruched and ribbed and super cute. Now, I do love this and it fits accurate to size, so you step into it, which is great. Around here is very comfortable. Now, this is an extra small. It's great, but I almost want to say I might want to size up. It might just be me specifically, but this part is like digging super intense into my side here, and there's like an elastic along here. This is definitely not seamless. There's an elastic all around the edges, and especially in the butt, it's great because it keeps it down, but it is kind of cutting into the cheek, and anytime you take a step, it moves around. I think it's super cute and it is comfortable. Other than that, there are like all of these strings. Like, there's these strings literally everywhere. So the next thing I got is this halter top ruffle bikini. I got this in a colored and in a black. It was kind of confusing to figure out how it worked at first, but it comes with this little clip in the back. Love this. And then you can just tie it. You can tie this a couple different ways. Across it, you can just pull it up around your neck. But I just thought this was such a cute, fun, like tropical, girly pattern for spring and summer. It's giving me major vacation vibes. Really want to go on a trip here. This was $49.95. And it's a classic swim material, which I do really like. It comes with cups here, and there is a little spot so you can just slip that out if you find it uncomfortable. Either way, this bikini I feel like is gonna work for everybody because it's more adjustable, whereas the one piece is like you have to step into it and there's no adjustment. So it either fits you or it won't fit you. Like I said, this is very adjustable and it feels like very good quality material. And then I also wanted to show you guys what it looks like with just like a regular bikini bottom. There's like a tiny bit of padding here, but not much. Also got it in black, and it's just the same thing. Has little ruffles, super soft. These are the high cut cheeky swim bottoms. This has a lot of stretch to it, which is great. It's very high cut, and it says it's cheeky, but this is the back. And so I would say that's pretty full coverage. There is no seam, but I feel like it might be annoying because it might roll over when you're walking and stuff. It might start folding a little when you walk, but either way, this feels very comfortable. If you guys tried any of their leggings, you'll understand what I'm talking about. It's almost that like plasticky feeling swimsuit. I don't know how that'll feel when it gets wet. Type of swimwear material. The top is very soft and it has these little cups, these frills. They're not annoying at all. The way this goes on is kind of confusing, but it's really comfortable even though it's this type of style, and there are little clasps in the back for the base of it, but then a string tie around the neck. And if you guys have ever tried the leggings from here, these are like the exact same material as the crossover leggings, even though they're just the high-rise bikini bottoms, but they're very comfortable. They're seamless though, so they do keep folding. They don't cut in, which is nice. The back is a little weird, where there's some extra fabric around the butt, but these ones fit a lot better than the others, which is weird though because they're the same size. So I'm noticing sizes are a little off depending on what bottom and top you get. Next, I got another pair of bottoms. They're just black bottoms. Again, this is their offline collection, and these are the Cheekiest Aerie swim bottoms. But yeah, there's really not much coverage here or in the back. It's a different material than the other bottoms. This is a lot softer. It's that silky, smooth kind of feeling. The inside's very soft as well. There's seams all along the top, so it should be secure. But yeah, I don't know what I expected. It's called Super Cheeky. They don't look like they're gonna be super high rise, and they look kind of uncomfy. Like, you know, you're gonna be walking and they're gonna be sitting in all the wrong places. I already had this in a couple different colors, I think. Like I said, I'll link everything down below. This is just a bandeau top, so it has the little cups in here again, and it just ties. And it just ties on the shoulder here, so it's adjustable that way, but there is no way to adjust the back, so you have to step into it or pull it over your head, which makes it very secure, but there isn't much stretch to it. It is like an elastic band on the top and on the bottom. That silky, soft, like nice swimwear material again. One was $35 US, and it feels like it's gonna be great. I can't see it being uncomfy. Right away, I don't love this one. The top is a pull over your head or step into. Inside that you can take out like the little cups, but they're sitting really weird and they're kind of noticeable when you turn. Like, I feel like it'd be very apparent. And then these are the Cheeky bottoms. They're supposed to be high rise, but they're obviously like very mid-rise, and they're just very uncomfortable, and you can like feel all of the seams on the side. Next, I wanted to try out a colored set. We're gonna do a pop of blue. It's such a pretty shade. They had these in a bunch of different colors, like yellow and pink, but they were all sold out. I've never tried any of their crossover bottoms before, and it's a very cute pattern. It feels almost cottony. It's the same as the asymmetrical bodysuit texture. These bottoms were $35 US, and I got them in a size extra, extra small, which I probably shouldn't have. The back is very covering. It looks like it's really gonna cinch in your waist. Super high cut, super soft. These just overall feel great, and like they're gonna be very comfortable, and they have a lot of stretch to them, which I also really like. And then for the top, this is like the cutest set ever. It's just this little triangle bikini top, and there's these adjusting straps here. The back is a tie, has these cups that you can take out, but I feel like this type top will look better with the cups in it to give you that extra support. With this one, actually, it's kind of weird. So it is the same color, but you had to buy them separately. If you can tell, this isn't actually a matching set. The textures are very different. This is more of like a stripy shine pattern. This is more of that like ribbed, I don't even know what print this is, but not the exact same, but they still look cute together. But this was great because now I can like try out the different materials, and as of right now, I think the stripy like shiny pattern is better than that cottony one, especially for swimwear. I'm obviously not able to like test it out in water right now. I'm in my apartment and not on a beach, but it'll be interesting to see how it holds water and feels while actually swimming. So I'm usually an extra small for everything, and an American Eagle usually runs true to size. These are digging into me. They're very fitted, but they're like too tight, and there's nothing you can really do about it. The back is very cheeky, but it is like cutting into me. The top is very comfortable and like typical swimwear material. I do love the cut on these, and I think the crossover is very flattering. Overall, I don't know how I feel about this as a set together. I would definitely recommend the top, and you can see the detailing. So 2 more things. These are from their spring collection. These are actual clothes. I've been wanting to try and find a nice tennis skirt for the longest time. Lulu's always sold out, and sizing's really weird everywhere you go, but I've tried their leggings from here, so I know I like the material. And it's just this beautiful pleated little mini skirt. So soft and feels so high quality, and this is a seamless band, which looks so comfortable. I love this, and I feel like this is a must-have for everyone in spring in general. You can wear this with a crew neck, you can wear this with a little crop top, you can wear this with a bikini. I'm gonna try that on and see how it looks. Anyways, I am obsessed with this. It might be my favorite, and it feels really high quality. An elastic, but it's very comfortable. There's no seams digging in or anything. Length is perfect. Again, this is an extra small. It doesn't look see-through at all. And I know even if you're running around, it's not going to like fall down or anything. It's like very secure. Like the comfiest thing I've tried on so far. And these, yeah, there are seams, but they're not gonna ride up, and they don't feel like they're chafing at all. So love this skirt. This is so cute. Last but not least, I also wanted to try out a pair of their running shorts, and it is the same band as the last one. This is their offline collection, and it doesn't look like it will be see-through. They're just the running shorts, and they're lined down here, so you know they're not see-through. Again, it's the same waistband as the skirt. It feels very secure, and like you know it's not gonna come down. These are great for workouts. You could honestly, these are great for even just lounging. Like they're very, very comfy. It feels like they're not even on. Love these. All right, you guys, well, that was everything. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe and comment down below what your favorite piece was. I post every Wednesday and Saturday, so subscribe so you don't miss out. I have a lot of fun content coming soon, and I'll see you in my next video.